Alright, so I just wanted to do a couple of quick practice problems with the classification of matter. These are those zoomed in particulate drawings of atoms, so you can see the actual individual particles, and you're going to use 6 of the 8 definitions that are in your classification of matter essential skill. We're not using homogeneous and heterogeneous because those are big picture, what you can see with your naked eye, but we're looking at individual particles here. So if we look at these 6 definitions, or 6 terms, we have pure substance, mixture, atom, molecule, element, and compound. For pure substance and mixture, you're looking at the whole box. So if you look at this box over on the left-hand side, is this a pure substance or a mixture? You can clearly see different things throughout the box or throughout the sample of matter, so you know that it is a mixture, which means automatically that it has to not be a pure substance because those are opposites of each other. Individual atoms would be something that is not connected to anything. So if I only had one circle sitting there, then it would be an atom. But if we look here, we don't have any individual atoms. So you're just going to write the word no. If you look at molecule, remember molecule is anything with a connection in it. So both of these have a connection or a link, so you're going to actually draw both of these off on the side. You can see how well I do with my drawing, so yours don't have to be perfect, but I do have to be able to recognize the shapes. An element is the same symbol whether it's connected or not. So if we look at the 2 circles, the 2 yellow circles, those are both the same symbol connected, so that would be an example of an element. And a compound has to be different things connected together, so that would be the star and the triangle connection. One more quick example of classification practice problem would be this one. If we look here, this one's kind of tricky, which is why I chose this one. But if we're looking, again, at the top of our list, we have pure substance and mixture, so if we're comparing those two, many people would say that this would be a mixture because you can clearly see the different symbols in the compound here. However, every compound or every connection or every group of atoms, those all are the same. So because those are the same, it's actually a pure substance, which means it is not a mixture. Again, if we had individual circles or individual squares without any connection, those would be individual atoms, but right now we do not have that, so we're just going to write a no there. This is a molecule because it does have any connection, so if I were to draw my molecule here, it's not perfect, but you get the picture. We do not have any elements because we don't have the same thing connected. We have different things connected. So no elements, but we do have a compound because again those are different things connected. So somewhere when you're looking at your classification practice, you should have somewhere between 3 and 5 of these words used. So you can see here we used pure substance, molecule, and compound. If you look up here, we used mixture, molecule, element, and compound. So somewhere between 3 and 5 words should be used for every box that you have to classify. Hope that helps, guys. Good luck.